Hello? Today, we're going to talk about the end of happy path testing and why AI systems need an immune system, not just tests. In traditional software, green tests mean safety. In agentic AI, they don't. Agents fail quietly, hallucinations, drift, endless loops. Happy path testing only proves demos work, not systems. This is a probability problem. Chain multiple prompts together and small errors compound fast. By step 5, your agent may look confident, but it's already off the rails. Final output tests miss this entirely. The old way? Write a few test cases. The new way? Generate thousands of adversarial users, angry inputs, broken language, malicious intent. If your agent survives the swarm, it's production ready. Exact matches don't work for AI. You need a judge agent that scores semantic alignment. Did this response violate policy? Drift from intent? That's continuous alignment, not brittle testing. AI systems need constant defense, not spot checks. Judge agents intercept risky actions. Failures are logged, replayed, and fixed, not guessed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.